Hi, I'm John with Aimco Manufacturing. Today we're going to be taking a look at one of our vacuum tools used to pick large sheets of material. The tool is mounted on a torque lift used as a single point. It is controlled by an up-down pendant and a vacuum on and off control pendant. To begin, lower the tool down to the sheet, engage the vacuum, and once 18 inches of mercury is achieved, the tool is safe to lift the part. Once the tool is in the air, it cannot be released by only pressing the vacuum off control. The common trigger will need to be pulled in conjunction with the vacuum off control. To set the part back down, lower it down into position, and once you set the part down safely, the common trigger can be pulled in conjunction with the vacuum off button. Thank you for watching, and for more product videos, please check out our website, aimcomanufacturing.com, or subscribe to our YouTube channel.